Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the location of Newton Crypto in Canada. But before we jump into that, let's take a step back and talk about why this is even important. Newton Crypto is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange, and as such, it's subject to the laws and regulations of the Canadian government. This means that knowing where Newton Crypto is located can help you understand what rules and regulations they have to comply with. So, where is Newton Crypto located? Newton Crypto is located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This means that they are subject to the laws and regulations of the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC. The OSC is responsible for regulating securities trading in Ontario, and this includes cryptocurrency trading. Now that we know where Newton Crypto is located, let's talk about what this means for you as a user. First, it means that Newton Crypto is a regulated exchange. This means that they have to meet certain standards in order to operate in Ontario. This includes having adequate security measures in place to protect your assets, as well as having a clear process for handling disputes. Second, it means that Newton Crypto is subject to the laws and regulations of the Canadian government. This means that they have to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and counterterrorism financing, CTF, laws. This is important because it helps to prevent criminals from using cryptocurrency to launder money or finance terrorism. So, what are the benefits of using a regulated cryptocurrency exchange like Newton Crypto? Well, for one thing, it gives you peace of mind knowing that your assets are protected by a regulated entity. It also means that you can be confident that Newton Crypto is complying with all of the relevant laws and regulations. Of course, there are also some drawbacks to using a regulated exchange. One drawback is that the fees can be higher than at unregulated exchanges. Another drawback is that the process of verifying your identity can be more time-consuming. But overall, I believe that the benefits of using a regulated cryptocurrency exchange like Newton Crypto outweigh the drawbacks. If you're looking for a safe and secure way to trade cryptocurrency, I would recommend using a regulated exchange like Newton Crypto. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy trading.